Alright, so what do you have it set on?
I have 0 ESP.
Okay.
This is
Full speed.
full speed.
Yeah, show me full speed with no ESP. Okay, is it sliding?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, adjust it and drift it. And we've got the traction tires on. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty fun drifting it, isn't it? It's awesome. If you turn it all the way up, it overcompensates a little bit, I think. I was doing like halfway or 3/4 seemed the best. Okay. Well, then you're not using any ESP. If you want to drift and maintain a good line, you should use it about halfway at least. You gotta let off a little bit when you cut a sharp turn, or you just go into a 360 like that. Or you can turn your steering trim rate down so it won't steer as sharp. You know what I mean? The very right knob. If you turn that to halfway, it won't steer as sharp. Oh, good one, buddy. Awesome. I think we might have to get another one of these.
But in the other side.
Oh, so they don't get mixed up. And get the Gorilla one. The one that says Gorilla on it. I like this one though. It looks like the Mini Infraction.
It looks like Monster, except when you're far away from it.
No, it looks like the miniature Infraction on that Arrma. Oh, look at the lights. Yeah. Let me get a close-up of your tires and then we'll swap the other tires on it. This has the outside tread tires. We're gonna put the slicks on. Connor is drifting for the first time with the slicks.
Oh my god. What the heck?
Nice. Oh! There you go. How much do you have your gyro turned up? Turn it all the way up. See how it does all the way up with the slicks on. Oh, nice. Oh, you just lost it. You almost drifted the whole turn.
My landed.
Turn your steering trim down some so it's not doing 360 so much. Here.
But I wanted to do 360.
No, you want to try and drift it. Here. See if that does better.
What the heck? What the?
You want to try and come and then cut your circle around and drift the whole circle without turning the back end around like that. Perfect. Nice. Nice. Oh. Oh. Good thing we have a foam bumper. Turn your ESP down and let's see what it does with no gyroscope on it.
Okay, which ear? Oh, okay.
No.
I'm turning down the AC. How long?
Was it all the way up?
Yes.
Okay, start at 0. Let's see what it does.
Okay. What the heck?
Uncontrollable? Yeah.
I can't control it.
Okay. Well, adjust it as you need it then.
I'm pulling the rock.
Drift it by yourself.
Daddy, can you pick up the rock off my bed?
Sure. It doesn't have a bed, it's got a wing on it, okay? Nice. Oh, that looks so much fun.
Let's do it backwards.
Haha, drifting in a backward circle. Oh!
Get away from
Smile test. We can always tell if it's a good truck if there's a big smile. Okay. Oh, nice. Where do you have your knob set at, buddy?
that. I have it. Which one?
Your ESP control.
I have it set at like 3/4.
Okay. So that about the best is about 3/4. You're drifting really good. Is 3/4 the best setting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. You just drifted the whole tennis court. Nice.
Yes, 360.
That ESP is awesome on this.
I'm gonna try to do that again.
Is it flashing?
No, it's just like, oh, it's raining. I just saw the raindrop.
I think the front headlights flash when your battery goes low.
I just saw a raindrop. Yeah, I'm feeling raindrop.
Fine.